bit about our group. Hey, Sal, quiet, down in front. All right. So our group is called Social Compassion in Legislation. That's our banner over there. And we started in 2007 because there was a void here in the state of California of people representing the animals who can't speak. And right now in our state, we kill over 500,000 dogs and cats every year in our shelters because we can't find them all homes. So that means there's too many. There's too many being born. We need to spay and neuter them. We need to microchip them so that we can get them back home. So one of the ways of accomplishing this, you can like try to educate people, but at the end of the day, if they don't want to be educated or they don't want to listen, sometimes we need laws. And so when you pass a law, a lot of people will what's called voluntarily comply. And that's what we found. We passed a spay and neuter law in the city of Los Angeles, and people start spaying and neutering their pets and microchipping. So all of this helps to get these animals back home, not have them be born in the first place. And so, but anyway, it takes laws to get this accomplished. And we have a board, and I'd like to introduce you to our board members. None of us get paid, we're all volunteers, but we do have to pay for our lobbyists. Because if you're gonna be a player in Sacramento and change laws, you need to act like everybody else. An oil company, tobacco, an exploiter of the animals, Ringling Brothers or SeaWorld, they all have lobbyists. And so for us to change laws, we have to have lobbyists. And right now, our lobbyist in California, and we're doing a bill in the state of New York, is $8,000 a month. So it's a lot of money to participate in this. And so all of you coming tonight and donating your $100, thank you so much. And the bands that performed for free.
How's everybody feeling tonight? We're coming to get you! You ready?